Hello again, welcome to today's attempt at the connections game. 16 clues and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. Where are we going to start today? A pitch and an idea. They're both sort of things you'd go on Dragon's Den or Shark Tank with, aren't they? Not really sure that's going to be a group. A house and a place, the kind of things that you live in. Not quite sure I particularly like where I'm going with any of these thoughts. Blonde. What's blonde got to do with anything? Lurch and Wednesday, they're both in the Addams family, I believe. But what would the other two be? Oh, Thing, of course. But what's the fourth one then? Or is this a red herring? We've definitely got these 3, but I'm not sure. Do we have a 4th Addams family member? I don't know, which is quite annoying. What else? We've got tree, which makes me think of tree house, but then we've also got house as a different word in the grid. They're not both going to be in the same group, are they? It doesn't really make sense. And the house isn't going to be the connection, given that house is also one of the words in the grid. So I'm not quite sure what's going on. You could be in a trance, but you can't really be in anything else, can you? It's 1 letter away from France. Do we have any other things that are 1 letter away from a country? We tend not to have groups like this in this game, which is a bit of a shame in my view, but it's not looking like that's going to change today, because I can't see any other words that are 1 away from a country. I don't know. Heave means to throw, doesn't it? And so does pitch, in a baseball sense. Or you can pitch a tent. But I don't know if there's other things you'd do with a tent. I really don't know. Reel? You reel it in. That's a fishing term, isn't it? You could heave, pitch, reel. Maybe they're all fishing terms. But again, what on earth would the 4th one be? What's person gonna be? Place, person, or thing? That's sort of like the categories in 20 Questions or some similar game, isn't it? But I'm not quite sure what the 4th one would be, even if that was a group. Idea, place, person, or thing? Not completely convinced, but also if that is the group, then thing isn't going to be in the group with Wednesday and the other Addamses is. Lurch. Oh, lurch from side to side. Pitch, reel, and heave. Maybe their things a ship does at sea? I think that's worth a shot, because I haven't come up with any more sensible groups. They do all mean careen. Okay, so then there isn't going to be an Addams family group, is there? That's why I couldn't find a 4th one. So I think person, place, thing, and something else. And probably idea, because none of the others look promising. What a noun might be. There we go. Right. So what is Wednesday going to be, apart from Wednesday Addams? Tree, tray, trance. Tree and tray are both... They both sort of sound like they mean 3 in a different language. I'm not convinced that that's going to be a group. House, trance, jungle, of course, they're all just music, aren't they? Ambient music, I suppose. Tree, tray, blonde, Wednesday. Yeah, none of the others are musics. Electronic dance music genres. And then these 4, I've got no idea what links them. Words after ash. Ash blonde, ash tray, ash tree, and ash Wednesday. I mean, fair enough. Difficult one, but I didn't need to know what the connection was, because I knew that those were the 4 that went together, because they were the only 4 left. So, despite really struggling for a while there, somehow that is a perfect connections game. Very confused about how that came about, but I'm not complaining. Let me know how you got on. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.